Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to customize cutout on the CapCut application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So just open a project on the CapCut, and if you want to customize the cutout, just go to the lower bar, tap to the edit button at the lower left corner of the screen, and here you can find the cutout option next to the edit. Tap that and you can find the third button, the customized cutout, and here you can set the brush size, the brush, or you can edit the cutout, and you can reset that at the lower left corner. And if you finish, click the OK button at the lower right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.